Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today's discussion topic is MCQs of test for analysis of different pharmaceuticals. MCQs number 1. Chromatography can be used to. The right answer is separate mixture into pure substances. MCQs number 2. Mobile phase can be. The right answer is gas or liquid. MCQs number 3. The fluid exciting a chromatographic column is called the right answer is elute. MCQs number 4. To improve a chromatic separation, you must. The right answer is increase the number of theoretical plates on the column. MCQs number 5. Infrared spectroscopy provide the valuable information about. The right answer is functional group. MCQs number 6. A strong signal at 34,000 centimeter in an IR spectrum indicate the presence of the right answer is alcohol. MCQs number 7. In infrared spectroscopy, which frequency range is known as the fingerprint region? The right answer is 1400 to 900 centimeter minus 1. MCQs number 8. What is a chromophore? The right answer is a group of atoms in a compound responsible for the reabsorption electromagnetic radiation. MCQs number 9. Which of the following is an example of bulk property or general detector in HPLC? The right answer is refractive index in detector. MCQs number 10. Which of the following is used as carrier gas in gas chromatography? The right answer is helium. MCQs number 11. H nuclei located near electron-active atom tend to be relative to H nuclei. The right answer is D, shielded. MCQs number 12. Signal splitting is NMR arises from. The right answer is spin-spin coupling. MCQs number 13. The base peak in mass spectrum is. The right answer is the peaks at 200% relative intensity. MCQs number 14. Which of the following is necessary from Mars to spectrometry to occurs? The right answer is loss of an electron. Number 15. Column efficiency is measured in terms of number of theoretical plates, which the right answer is inversely related to height equal to theoretical plate. MCQ number 16. In a chromatographic separation, which of the following is the most appropriate for the identification for a substances? The right answer is retention time. MCQs number 17. The basics of the techniques of chromatography of the separation components of a mixture is. The right answer is the interaction of the component with the stationary and the mobile phase. MCQ 18. HPLC is and stand for. The right answer is high pressure liquid chromatography. MCQ number 19. In IR spectroscopy, the wave number of carbonyl group is observed in the range of 1740 to 1650 centimeter. MCQ number 20. Which of the following techniques would be most useful to identify and quantify the presence of non-impurity? The right answer is IR. MCQ number 21. In mass spectrometry, the fragmentation of ions is achieved through. The right answer is ionization. MCQ number 22. In dipole magnetic moment directly proportional to nuclear spin corrected by the constant called. The right answer is gyromagnetic ratio. MCQ number 23. Which of the following names refers to the highest energy spin state of an H nucleus in a magnetic field? The right answer is spin down. MCQ number 24. Chemical shift are typically reported in unit of. The right answer is parts per million. MCQ number 25. What is shielding in NMIR? The right answer is when the magnetic moment of an atom blocks the full induced magnetic field from nuclei. MCQ number 26. Diffusive sample work on the principle of law of diffusion. And right answer is Fick's. MCQ number 27. Digestion is not done for PPT. The right answer is both A and B, like Kurdi and Genetians. MCQ number 28. The rate of diffusion of two gases is proportional to densities. The right answer is square root. MCQ number 29. For following liquid sampling is done with. Right answer is pipette. MCQ number 30. The standardization of KFR can be done with. The right answer is sodium titrate. MCQs number 31. To increase the selectivity of EDTA, titration can be done. The right answer is all of the above, like adjustment of pH, uses of mass agent. MCQs number 32. ALISI is used for testing blood. The right answer is both A and B, like HIV1, HIV2. MCQs number 33. In spectrophotometer, light source is. The right answer is xenon lamp. MCQs number 34. What color of visible light has longest wavelength? The right answer is red. MCQs number 35. Reciprocal of wavelength is. The right answer is wavelength. MCQs number 36. Dissolved oxygen is. The right answer is Fi depend amount of carbon dioxide. MCQs number 37. Maximum energy is required for. The right answer is vibrational. MCQs number 38. Detector used in AAS is. The right answer is PMT. MCQs number 39. Increase intensity of absorption card. The right answer is hyperchromic effect. MCQs number 40. Highly sensitive detector in UV visible spectroscopy is. The right answer is PMT. MCQs number 41. Absorption of energy by ground state atom in gaseous state form the basis of. The right answer is A. MCQs number 42. Chromophore is covalently unsaturated. MCQs number 33. Dash temperature is the achieved from propane air. The right answer is 1700 to 1900. MCQs number 44. The radiation element in flame of photometry is mostly in the region. The right answer is visible. MCQs number 45. Filler gas in hollow cathode lamp is. The right answer is neon. MCQs number 46. Global unit is. The right answer is silicon carbide. MCQs number 47. Optical activity is concerned with. The right answer is all of these, like plane polarized light, refractive index, and ordinary light. MCQs number 48. Gas cell which is used for sampling of gases in IR is made up of potassium bromide. MCQs number 49. The solvent not used in IR. The right answer is H2O. MCQs number 15. Conductivity cell are made up of. The right answer is 2 parallel sheet of platinum. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.